Oh, good morning, everybody. How are we all doing? Welcome back to another video. Sorry, I am currently at the desk doing a little bit of work, a little bit of life admin. It is Monday the 3rd of February, and currently I am not feeling very well. I think I've got a very infected wisdom tooth, and it is smacking me in the face, quite literally, in every sense of the word. I feel pretty dreadful today. Usually on a Monday, I would be in the gym and I would be hammering my legs. I decided to probably do the smart thing and stay at home and not exhaust myself, because clearly I'm fighting something. I feel sick, I feel tired, my body aches. It just kind of feels like flu, but I know it's this bastard all the way at the back here because it is fat. Another video, good lord, another video. What are we going to make this video about? I do not know. There's a couple things that I would like to make it about. One of them is the fact that, I just wanted to film a video because I got myself a new car mount for the camera, which feels really exciting because that means that I can literally just plop you guys in the car and it looks amazing. Tell me what you think. Here it is. I love you.
Yeah.
I'm greeting you from the car because I'm going on a fairly long journey to the O2 this afternoon. It is Friday the 30th of January. I'm off to, oh goodness me, that just doesn't feel safe. There's so much money that I am just hoping doesn't come crashing down on the floor, because this is my livelihood right here. Well, I say that, but I definitely do a load of live TV stuff now, which is actually exactly what I'm on my way to do. So tonight I have a boxing job. It's with a company called Matchroom. You probably know of them if you like boxing, because they host so much. So it's nice to be back in the fold. When I went to Saudi Arabia as well in December, that was also Matchroom, that was snooker. They have their hand in a lot of pots, as it were. They do snooker, pool, darts and boxing. They used to do loads more, and they still do in the multi-sport section, but they've eased back. They do fishing and stuff as well. So they're just a sports promotional company who do a lot, really. I've recently also, I feel like I'm a bit more motivated to invest in my craft now. It's been a while since. I'm really proud of one of the things that's happened this year, and I wanted to secure myself a retainer. I don't feel like I need to explain what a retainer is. If you don't know what it is, just have a quick Google. I don't think I could get the words out even if I wanted to right now. It's something that I have wanted for a very, very long time, and it's something that helps me feel a lot more secure, because it means that there's a monthly income that's guaranteed, and there's monthly work, which also means that I myself tick over a lot of my skills that I don't use. I think it's always good to keep your skills ticking over. It's one of the things I noticed with Matchroom that was like the best for me, which was that I was always working, so it meant that I was always learning new skills. And I progressed in this graph in 6 months, and it was the most I think I have ever progressed within something. Like, it was crazy, because the sheer amount of work I was having to put out just meant I got better and better and better and better and better. And that's really why part of the reason why I wanted a retainer as well, because I love what I do, and I don't necessarily just want to sit here with all this camera gear to just use on vlogs. I want to use it for people. I want to use it for projects. I want to be able to do what I love with my camera gear. It doesn't just revolve around me filming myself for YouTube. So a couple of weeks ago I posted a reel that I asked you guys what you would like to see more of on my YouTube, and bits and bobs, and more of my life, or whatever really. And one of the comments that stood out to me was, I'll put it up on the screen, someone said that they would love to see me interview other gymnasts. Now, so I think I am going to do it, but in the way that I will do it is in a short segment. Who knows how long it'll be, but we ask them a few questions. I'm probably just going to stick to 3 questions. We might stick with the same questions for every person that we do, but I try and do them as and when I can. I have a life, I have a family, or just for a change in the dynamic, so that it's not just gym jits and me. Now, while I'm here, I want to shed a little bit of light on on two particular guys who I've noticed their work has been changing, and the level and the quality of it. And the level and the quality of it has just been lovely to see, and it's been lovely to watch. One of them is Sam Oldham, and Sam Lindy. They've just released their first documentary on Luke Whitehouse and Harry Hepworth. It is a brilliant, beautiful piece. I recommend you go and watch it. I will leave a link down below. Just feel like it's nice to shed some light on these guys. They're really pushing it. They are producing some really beautiful content and some really meaningful content within the gymnastics space that is a little bit different to what people traditionally kind of do. And it's nice to see a retired athlete again putting more back into the sport. Sam's retired. Sam Lindy is a fabulous videographer, photographer. He's great at his craft. You guys should definitely go and check Sam's channel out if you're not already subscribed. I presume you might be. And then the second guy that I want to recommend that you go and watch and have a little look at all his content. He's very clearly putting in a lot of work at the moment, and it's nice to see. I know his dad. I'll work with his dad. He's also a cameraman, but the lad who I'm on about here is Joe Kemlin Jones. He's releasing like these little short films, and they're quite inspiring, and they've got a lovely look to them. They've got a lovely feel. He's clearly enjoying this craft. So the link to his channel is going to be below as well. I just feel like it's nice to shed some light onto people that are doing things a little bit differently in the gym space and that are trying new things, and they're videos that I'm enjoying as well. So hopefully you guys enjoy them too. I'm going to go cook some dinner now and relax for the evening. Tomorrow is a big day because I'm going to go back to jits because I'm bored of this shoulder now. I'm just going to be careful, and we're going to go do jits, and we're going to bring you guys along. Stick around if you want to, don't if you don't want to. And I also got a new rash guard and a new rash set that looks fucking sick. So I will see you there. We did do jiu-jitsu, but we filmed absolutely none of it. None. Not sure why I didn't.
Is it your first session back in a while?
Probably. I felt well nervous, but it was actually a really good session. But you'll never know. You'll never know. I could nose that the weekend was cold. We went on a hike yesterday. It was interesting. It was good. So muddy. It was like going through trenches. What did we end up doing? Like 11 kilometers, 12 and a half kilometers in the end. It was flat. It was just kind of through farmland and stuff. It's weird because I associate hikes with like ascending, so going up hills as well. It was nice. It was a nice way to spend a day, to be fair. Yeah. There's one girl who arranged it, and then she basically sends out an itinerary of where we're going, what time we're going to be there, how long it'll be, and then we go for dinner afterwards and stuff in a nice little pub. It's fucking banging.
Did you all know each other, or just like met them?
Met them that day, yeah. Molly knew the girl who organised it and two other people. I knew two other people, and that was it. Nala tried to kill a chicken.
Oh, the chicken?
Yeah, I let her off, and she was pretty good. And then I clocked there were some chickens ahead of us on someone's farm, and I was like, oh God, oh no. And she just bolted and then got like a mouthful of its bum. Didn't kill it, just got a mouthful of feathers. Yeah. Done the business, absolute business on it. Lovely stuff.